we got a 2021 Kia Sorento key fob here. I'm gonna show you how to open it up if you want to replace your battery. All right, so right here on the remote, there's a button down at the bottom that you're gonna press and hold down, and that releases the emergency key. We're gonna go ahead and take that out. Now, we're gonna take one of these covers off. We're gonna take the one that doesn't have the button or the emblem off. So we're taking this one off. Do that, you're gonna get a flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna actually pry this panel off. Where I'm going to do it at is I'm going to do it right above this plastic thing right here. It's in the middle. And be careful not to break this. So I'm going to put this in sideways like this. Give it a gentle prying like that. You'll see how it cracks the side with the buttons open first. Then we can go around and work it open, okay? You're going to be really careful not to break anything in here. And then we'll open it up. Here's your battery. Now what we're going to do, we're going to take the circuit board out because this rubber seal will get in our way. We go to take the battery in and out of the holder, okay? So it just slides out like this. Start pushing it in, and then we can grab it like that. All right, I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery is going to be a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. We just slide it back in here. So I won't go any further. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link, takes you to Amazon, where you can pick up the correct battery. Put it back in here. You want to get it past this rubber seals as best you can. So just push it in there. And then you get the cover. And starting at the top, you push this guy back on. Now you got to make sure this chrome piece is sitting right, because this chrome piece, they like to fall out when you go to do this. So just make sure it's sitting where it needs to sit. And just snap it all back together. Put the emergency key back in, and if it locks, you're all done. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, or just leave me a comment. Hope to see you in another video.